Okay, so now we're going to build on our gradebook example, and we're going to look at some of the most common functions that are used in Google Sheets. The first one is going to be the sum function. So we're going to get a sum total of the scores in this column. So to do that, we start off by entering the equal sign, and then we're going to type sum. And you'll notice that it starts with opening parenthesis, and then we're going to select the range of cells that we're going to sum. So we will select cell D4. I'm going to hold down the Shift key and go down and select cell D9. And that is going to select that range. I'm then going to put a closing parenthesis and then select Enter. And that will give us a total for that column. It'll sum those that range. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that formula by selecting it. I'm going to move my mouse over to the bottom right corner over the little square, and you see that the mouse changes to like a thin plus symbol. That means it's ready to click your left mouse button and then drag that over to the cells where you want it copied. And then let go, and brings that formula over. So the next one is our average. That's going to give us the average within the range of the cells that we choose. So we're going to start our formula again with equals. And I'm going to type average. I'm going to put a parenthesis. I'm going to go up and I'm going to select, once again, cell D4. And again, hold my Shift key while I go down and select cell D9. And I'm going to add a closing parenthesis and type the Enter key. And that gives us our average. Once again, I'm going to copy that over by selecting it and then moving my mouse over the bottom right corner, holding the Shift key and dragging it over to where I want the formula copied to. All right, the next function we're going to look at is the max. That's going to tell us the max number between a cell range. So again, we're going to start it by entering the equal sign, and I'm going to type max. And I will select the cell range D4 again, hold the Shift key, go down, select D9. I'm going to put the closing parenthesis and type the Enter key. There we go. So now it shows us what the max value is within that range. And once again, I'm going to copy it over into the other cells. All right, next and last, we're going to look at the minimum function. So I'm going to type the equal sign. I'm going to type min. And I will select the same cell range. D4, hold the Shift key down, select D9, and put a closing parenthesis and type Enter. And once again, we will copy that over, select it, and hold down the left mouse key and drag that over to the cells. So there we go. So now you've seen the basic functions and the most common ones used in Google Sheets. All right, in this video, we looked at some of the common functions in Google Sheets like sum, average, min, and max, and we also looked at how to drag copy formulas from one cell to another. Make sure to check out our other videos in the series on using Google Sheets. Thank you.